This is Hiba. So today I'm going to show you my most reliable and favorite appliances that instantly make any space super cozy. My Orpat heater. Let's have a look. This Orpat heater is about a foot long in length and weighs about 1 kilogram, making it very convenient to place anywhere in the room. It's very safe and reliable and keeps the room's temperature equilibrium in check all day. No matter the temperature, the heater is cool to touch and can be moved even when it's on. It has both a safety as well as a thermal cutout that ensures that the machine stays safe when it's being used for extended periods of time. The heater is a must-have for winters as it keeps the room warm throughout day and night. With this heater, stay comfy and cozy throughout your winters and hassle-free about the dipping temperatures.